Hey guys, welcome to Wireless 101. My name is Sean, this is my business partner here, Harold. What we're here to do today is we're going to give you guys an introductory video of what it is we do. Wireless 101, you might have seen us on our website, you might have caught our Facebook page, our Twitter page, you might have caught some leaflets or flyers floating around town here. We just want to introduce ourselves to you guys, let you know what it is we do. Essentially what we do is we are going to be your live manuals to all your wireless needs. You go out, you buy the brand new iPhone, what's the first thing you do? You look through the instruction manual? Absolutely not. You want to learn about it, you play with it as much as you can. And if you get a little frustrated with it, what we've seen in the industry here is we've noticed, I'm getting a little too frustrated with this phone. I thought it was something I wanted. Yeah. Unfortunately, it's not working out for me. Let me go ahead and take this phone back and I'm going to get something new. That's where our business comes in. Look, you bought the phone because you know you love it. You want to learn the phone. You want to use that phone. We all do. We all are the same way. So what we're here to do, guys, is pretty much teach you and all these applications and what they can do. Harold here is going to talk to you a little more in depth about the applications and what we can teach you. You're going to see 3-minute snippets from us.
Definitely.
You're going to catch a lot of videos from us. Mm-hmm. So stick to our website, stick to our YouTube page, and let Harold talk a little bit more about that.
Well, Sean brings up a lot of good points. I mean, people buy these applications and software and things like that, and it's sometimes kind of hard to use. For instance, I was really into music as a kid, went out and purchased what they call a Pro Tools application. Now, this thing came power packed with a whole bunch of stuff that I had no idea how to use. All I really wanted to do was record my own music. Well, what happened? I sat back for days, even months, reading the manual, trying to learn how to use it, tips and tricks and things like that. Now, if I would have had a service such as Wireless 101 to teach me how to use it, then I would have been well off and I would have been probably a lot better off because somebody taught me the tips and tricks of what they're doing. So, I really think that Wireless 101 would benefit anybody that's actually looking to purchase new technology and just wants the learning edge, wants an edge on how to use this technology. Basically, we're here, like he said, we've been in the industry for some time. People come in and they look at phones and they say, hey, that might just be a little bit too much for me. Well, not really. Not so. You got all types of phones, iPhones, Blackberries, even got flip phones and cell phones and stuff like that to do a lot of things. People are buying Mac computers, which come with a whole array of software.
You bring up a great point. Guys, I'm new to Mac. I've had Mac for about a year now, and Harold can attest to this. As I was looking to get myself a Mac, what did I do? What's one of the first things I want to do? Is I reviewed looking for a great instruction manual on how to use my Mac. You guys will see this video, by the way. I've got it in one of my videos. So I go out and I buy this manual, 300 plus pages of how to use a Mac, what the Mac's going to do for me, and how I'm going to be able to use this. I knew I was going to read this manual.
Exactly.
I knew I was going to read this manual. I was going to learn this manual. I was going to go through it and learn everything. You know what I've done since I bought my Mac? I haven't read a page. Why? It's all about instant technology. Yeah. I want to learn now. I want everything now. I've gone to friends' houses that have Macs. Why don't you teach me? I've gone as far as buying a one-on-one service at Apple. I spent money to sit down with somebody. Thank you very much. Show me. I'm tired of reading about it. Show me.
Instant gratification.
Exactly.
That's what we're here for. You can read the manual. The manual sometimes has a lot of great things, and I do highly recommend checking the manual out because a lot of people spend a lot of time putting these manuals together. They cost a lot of money for these companies. Essentially, we're the buffer between that. The companies may eventually come to us to actually start teaching people when they come out with these phones instead of people having to go through the manual. Exactly. We're living in a green society now. Right. Try to do less paperwork, save the trees, and do all types of stuff to save our environment. What we're here to do is create a buffer between the retailer, the manufacturer, and the person. So when the person comes to us, they're getting a great show and a great presentation and demonstration of how to use their phone. Absolutely. And they're also doing it in a good, nice environment, a very warm environment. They have the opportunity to also network with other people doing some of the same things. We have quite a few people coming through. We have entrepreneurs, doctors, lawyers, all type of people coming from a lot of different walks of life. That's right. So it'll be a great environment for you guys to network as well. What you think about that?
Absolutely. He brings up the fact of the manuals. Here's another thing, guys, and I've had this happen to me. Someone goes out and buys a Windows mobile device and says, I don't have an instruction manual in here. It's not in here. Oh, yeah. It's there. It's on the CD. That's some of the things that you go out, you buy this, you spend $350 on this device. This device is going to work for you.
Exactly.
You go home, and then you're going to take the initiative to read this manual, to get into this manual, and it's not even there. So there's a frustration too. We want to take that frustration away from you. We've had doctors, lawyers, people walk up to us and say, look guys, it's not that I don't understand this, it's not that I can't do this, but I need to learn this now because I just don't have the time. Allow us to take the time to show you how to use this device. You give us an hour, we'll give you control.
And that's exactly right. I mean, it's so much out there, things that I want to learn. Now, I sometimes think that I'm on top of my wireless game. Sometimes I think I know everything about technology, but to tell you the truth, I'm always a student out here, and I'm always one of the people that want to learn new things.
Absolutely.
I mean, when you come to wireless101.com, or should I say mywireless101.com, you get more of an edge over all types of technology. You might end up learning something that you never even heard about that's possible to be more of a convenience in your life, which make you want to go out there and check it out.
Right.
I mean, from time to time, we'll have giveaways, we'll have different prizes and stuff like that.
Absolutely.
Where people participate, and the site will be growing as well as the business. Sean?
That's exactly it. So look for us on mywireless101.com. Look for us on our Facebook page on Tech Know-How. Look for what we're bringing you guys. We're going to bring you guys 3-minute snippets. We're going to kind of give you wet your beak a little bit, if you will, to kind of give you some of the new technology that's coming out there, like these new augmented apps. Wonderful things like this. We want to bring this to you guys. So with that said, we really appreciate your time. Thank you guys very, very much. Wireless 101. Thank you.